Today we are doing exercise 2.5. Question number 1 and 2 we have done in previous video. Now in this video we are going to do question number 3, 4, 5 and 6 of exercise 2.5. Now question number 3, express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer, and second part of question number 3 is express 75 millimeter in centimeter, meter and kilometer. Now this is first part, convert 5 centimeter into meter and kilometer. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So if you are converting meter to centimeter, then multiply by 100, or if you are converting centimeter to meter, then divide by 100. So here we are converting centimeter to meter, so we will divide 5 by 100. Now here you know that two zeros means two decimal points should be there, so that answer is 0.05. It is in meter. Now convert this to kilometer also. So you know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So again, if you are converting kilometer to meter, then multiply, or if you are converting meter to kilometer, then divide. So here we will divide it by 1000. 0.05 divided by 1000, then again this decimal moves 3 parts, 3 jumps, then 1, 2, 3, means 0, 0, or here also 0. So answer is 0.00005 kilometer. So in this way you can convert the centimeter into meter also and in kilometer also. Now this is to convert 35 millimeter into centimeter, meter and kilometer. So first of all, we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So if you are converting millimeter to centimeter, then you will divide by 10. So 35 divided by 10, it has only one zero, so it will be 3.5 centimeter. Now we will convert this centimeter to meter also, because according to question we are required to convert to meter also. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So here we will divide it by 100. Now it has two zeros, so decimal will move 2 parts. So 1 and 2. Here it will be, so 0.035 meter. Now it is in meter. Now we are required to convert this into kilometer also. So we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So here we will divide it by 1000. So 0.035 divided by 1000. Now this decimal we move 3 places, 1, 2, 3, because here we are dividing by 1000. So answer will be 0.00035 kilometer. Okay, this you will write in margin line. Now this is question number 4. Express in kilogram 200 gram, 3470 gram, 4 kilogram and 8 gram into kilogram. Now let us find out how we will convert these numbers, convert these questions as kilogram. In this we are required to convert 200 gram to kilogram. We know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So if you are converting gram to kilogram, then again right to left means you are required to divide. So we will divide 200 by 1000. Now here these zeros are cut by zeros, then 2 upon 10. 10 means 1 decimal place, so it is 0.2 kilogram. Now this is fourth second part, 3470 gram. Again you are converting gram to kilogram, so you will divide it by 1000. So divide this 3470 by 1000. Now here you can see 0 is reduced by 0 and divided by, now it is divided by 100. So 100 has 2 decimals. So this will be 3.47 kilogram. Now this is 4 kilogram and 8 gram. To convert it into gram, so first of all write 4 kilogram plus 8 ग्राम. इनके बीच में पहले हम एक प्लस ले लेंगे यहाँ पे. आफ्टर दैट किलोग्राम को अगर हम ग्राम में कर रहे हैं तो मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा 1000 से, because 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram and we are converting now right to left to right. So we will multiply it by 1000. 4 into 1000, you know that this is 4000 plus 8, so it is 4008 gram. Now this is question number 5. Write the following decimal numbers in expanded form: 20.03, 2.03, 200.03, 2.034. Now this is 20.03. Write it into expanded form. So 20, first of all we will write the expanded form of this whole number. After that we will write the expanded form of these this decimal number. So this is only 20. So 20 expanded form is 20. So plus, then these decimal places, this 3 is on the place of hundreds. So we will write 3 upon 100. So this is the expanded form of this 20.03. 20 plus 3 upon 100. Now 2.03 we can write as 2 plus, then this 0.03, what we write? 3 upon 100, because this 3 is on the hundredths place. Now this is the expanded form here. Now this 200.03 you can write 200 plus, again 3 is on the hundredths place, so we can write 3 upon hundredth. Now this 2.034 you can write 2 plus, now this 3 is on the hundredths place, so we can write 300 upon 3 upon 100, and 4 is on the thousandths place, so we can write 4 upon 1000. So you know that this 0 is on the 10th place, 3 is on the hundredth place, and 4 is on the thousandths place. So here we can write 2 plus 3 upon 100 plus 4 upon 1000. Now this is question number 6. Write the place value of 2 in the following numbers: 2.56, 21.37, 10.25, 9.42, 63.352. So 5 parts are there. Now solve one by one all. Now let us find out. Now here you are required to write the place value of 2 in each of the following. This is first 2.56. So here 2 is on the place of ones. So we will write 2 ones. Now this is 21.37. Here 2 is on the place of tens. So place value is 2 tens. Now this is 10.25. You know that this 2 has the place value of tenths. This is TENTHS, or we can say this is 2 upon 10. Now this is 9.42. Here you can see 2 is on the place of hundredths because it is after 10th place, so it is hundredths. Now this is 63.352. So here you know that this is 10th place, this is 100th place, this is 1000th place, or this is ones and tens. So 2 is on the thousandths place. Now this is thousandth place, or we can say 2 upon 1000 also.